How to download CS2 or Counter-Strike 2 on your Windows or laptop. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me go out to quick and easy on how you can download Counter-Strike 2 on Windows or laptop. Well, the process is particularly simple and easy. You can simply go ahead and proceed to open up your browser, any browser that you wish or you use, and you want to head into store.steampowered.com. You can also head into and search for Steam first and then head into Steam website. Here you'll get the install Steam option right away. Click on it and now it will ask you to install Steam for Windows. As you can see, it is also available for Mac. And here, simply click on install Steam. And once you have installed it, the download will start and you want to proceed to install it. So let me show you here. Install, you can see its exe has been installed, downloaded here. Or double click on it, click on yes, and now go through the installation process. You can go ahead and proceed to install it. Now, once you have installed it, you want to go ahead and simply open it up. Right? So I've already installed it, so I'm not going through the installation process again. But you want to go ahead and open up Steam. And on Steam, you can search for Counter-Strike 2 here once you have signed in, and you should be able to get the game here. So let me show you here. On Steam, you can search for CS2. And you can see Counter-Strike 2 is available here for you to download and install. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.